Want to add a bio on your Tinder profile? Here's how to do it. First, open the Tinder app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Here at the top of your profile picture, you can see the edit icon. Tap on it, scroll down a little and find About Me section. In the About Me section, you can see the bio section here. Type in anything to describe yourself. Write a few lines about your personality, interest, or what you are looking for in a match. You can also add emojis or fun one-liners to make it more interesting. Once done, tap Save. Your bio is now visible to potential matches. If the changes don't appear, try logging out and back in or updating the app. And that's it. You are all set. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.